Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Ethiopian rice. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of long grain rice, 2 cups of water, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. For seasoning, prepare a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of turmeric. If you like a little kick, add a 1/2 teaspoon of authentic Berber spice. Next, let's prepare the rice. First, rinse your rice thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. This usually takes about 3 rinses. Then, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once hot, add the rinsed rice to the pan. Sauté it for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring gently until the grains are lightly toasted. This step adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Now for the cooking. Carefully pour in 2 cups of water, add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and any other spices you've chosen, like Berber. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil. As soon as it boils, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the saucepan tightly with a lid and let it simmer undisturbed for 15 to 20 minutes. Resist the urge to peek. Almost ready to enjoy? Once the cooking time is up, remove the saucepan from the heat. Keep it covered and let the rice rest for another 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the steam to redistribute, ensuring perfectly cooked, fluffy grains. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate them. Serve your fragrant Ethiopian rice as a delightful side dish or with your favorite stews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.